So hello everyone, as you can see I'm standing here. This is an empty place, and as you can see also I'm standing next to the water tank, and uh, as you can say I'm standing under the water tank. So there's a water tank above me, as you can see, and as you can see around me a lot of things available, many kinds of, and there are many kinds of tree, and as you can see behind me a company also available. As you can say it company, this is a small company, but yeah, this is company store, as you can see, and I can call it company. So yeah, I can say it easily, this is a company, and around me a lot of things available. And if I talk about weather is very nice and very lovely, and it's little bit raining. I can say it's raining cat and dog, and the weather is very cloudy, as you can see. So the around me it is very beautiful place. So yeah, if you wanted to learn English, and if your question is that how can we learn English fluently and effortlessly, so first of all you have to hard work, that, and consistency is most important to learn English. And if you are curious about learning English, then you can get your fluency. And I'm not saying that I am a fluent speaker. I can speak, as you can see I'm speaking in front of camera. This is my you can say it, I can speak little bit. And yeah, when I started it was very difficult, and now as you can see my progress, and I can say easily, I'm very curious about learning English, and I can say easily, when I get time and when I free, I try to learn some vocabulary and some English about knowledge. So this is very better for me. And the most important thing, in beginning I said consistency is most important. If you are thinking your mind, then I am going to become fluent in a 2 days, in a 1 month, in a 2 months, it will never happen. It will never happen, because you are not going to become fluent, you are fluent speaker overnight. So you have to spend a lot of time, and you have to face a lot of problem, and many problem. So then you can become fluent speaker. And yeah, eh, that if you are learning, and if you are doing something new and different, it's take time. And how long it will take I don't know, but I can say easily, if you have courage and if you have confidence to do something different, then you are going to become and whatever you want. So if your dream to become a fluent speaker, and if you want to speak English fluently, then go ahead and keep going. Because when you practice every day, you get better, and you can speak more and more, whatever you want. So yeah, this is what's if you are learning, and if you are learning English, so what's the reason behind it? If you are learning to talk someone, and if your desire it English, so I can say easily, if you have any purpose behind it to learn English, if you want to make a great conversation with front of people and with any person, so you have to think how can I talk, and how I am learning English. That is most important. So if you are learning English, that is big deal. If you are learning something new, so that is not boring, and you can learn whatever you want, if you have courage and if you have consistency. So as you can see I'm speaking in front of camera, but when I started it was I cannot speak any word. So I can easily say I couldn't speak any any sentence and any topic. So as now I can speak a little bit, and however I can speak because of my practice, and you can see my progress. I started 5 months ago, and now as you can see I'm still struggling about English. And I can easily say, uh, if you are a beginner, and so don't go you know once you don't think about that I'm making mistake. If you are making mistake, that's mean you are learning. So don't you worry about that making mistake, and don't worry about making mistake, because making mistake part of learning. So if you are a student, and if you are a learning, if you are a beginner, so then you keep going. Don't be afraid while speaking. If you then yes, you can see my progress, and as you can see I'm also making mistake, but I'm keep going. If I will stop, thought about that, if I will stop, then however it will feel. And you will, and you are watching video, you are watching my video, then how you will feel? Like you will feel it's a useless videos. It is you are using unnecessary topic. So when you will stop the people, they are lazy, and they are worry about why you are speaking, and if you don't have knowledge. So if you are making mistakes, so don't worry about it, just keep going. Because the more you learn, and the more you speak, the better you can get so many new things. So this is my suggestion, and I can say easily, uh, if you are a learner, so then speak simple word and simple sentence. And yeah, you can see I'm also using simple sentence and simple vocabulary and simple sentence. So if you are a beginner, so use simple sentence, and don't be afraid while speaking. If you are making mistake, just keep going, no matter what they are thinking and they are laughing at you. It is it will reduce when you will learn more, and when you will speak fluent, they will also appreciating you. And yeah, when I started, they are you know they was telling like that, why you want to learn this language, and why you are learning this language, what's the reason? And you are in India, and you don't need to learn English. Then I was laughing, and I laughed, because I thought, I don't want to answer the question. So I didn't say anything that time, and now they are seeing my progress, and they are also saying you can speak English, not fluent, but yeah, you can talk with any people. So I can share my thought, I can share my feeling, and I can share my ideas. That is that means language, and that is enough for me, I can say easily. So yeah, if you wanna to if you wanted to speak this language, so just keep going. And if you don't I can say easily, if you didn't start at, so start today, start from today. Because if you are thinking about perfect moment never came and never come. Just start from today, and start today, don't wait for perfect moment today and now. So yeah, you can learn like this. And if you are listening, and yeah, if you are learning English, then try to listen music and podcast, and a lot of video on social media. You can learn, and you can search, and you can learn. So just that's enough. I'm going to store, and I have some work, so I have to purchase, and I have to buy some gracious luggage. So that's why I cannot make video more. Then yeah, I'm going, and because we are work in a company, that's why we don't have enough time that I can spend time with English too much. So bye bye, see you again, have a nice day.